Alright, so here it is, the finished article. This is the new section I've added from here, elevated up there, coming back down, and a 180 joining where that piece originally was. So that's the last of the new second-hand stuff I've got. All the old style track pieces are on this bit to the right. So I've just managed to successfully take it round this little Mini Cooper. I had to put new gauzes on it because the ones on the other ones are just fucked. So some of the elevation bits are temporary. They'll be done properly to look more aesthetically pleasing as well. I've got strip lights to go on underneath these bits, all sorts of stuff, and of course I've got the track to go over with a wire brush. I've bought an attachment for my drill. That should be coming on Tuesday, so because I'm not going to be doing it by fucking sandpaper. I mean, I can't with the state of my arm the way it is and other things, but so I'm going to attempt to take it round the track and film it if I can. Here goes. Oh shit, it's hard to do this and hold the camera, but I'll give it another go. Come on. Ah, almost. Come on. There we go. I'm so pleased with this. I've certainly managed to cram a lot of stuff into a small space, but can't really. There's a technique to that bit with these banked curves. I thought they'd be more troublesome than they've been actually, but you see the way the car sticks to it, 'cause it's got the magnet thing underneath, which is pretty cool. But so there we have it. I'm rather pleased with that. I'm just wondering what to do next with it. Well, so there we go. Pretty awesome. Dead chuffed with it. It's exactly how I'd sort of envisaged it, and all the bits have come together precisely how I'd planned as well, so seems my calculations were right too. Yeah, dead chuffed.